Patchogue-Medford library, and today we're going to be making guacamole. So guacamole originated in the 14th century by the indigenous Aztec people in southern Mexico, but today we can see it all around the world, from your favorite Mexican restaurant to Chipotle to even just me making it in my kitchen. So today we're going to be using the recipe from the Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs, and this can actually be taken out at the Carnegie Library. So if you guys want to make guacamole yourself, feel free to check out this book, or there's also a ton of really great recipes online. The best thing that I found about guacamole is you can really customize it to make it your own. So I will be making some substitutes for the recipes, and feel free to make it your own by adding your own special stuff. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add your avocado to a large bowl. And then you're gonna mash it. Like I said before, you can use, I like to use a potato masher just because it's big. You could also use a fork. You could really use anything that you're comfortable with just to get the avocados smashed, and you can make it either chunky or smooth, just whatever really you prefer. I also want to emphasize that if you don't feel comfortable cutting any of these things, ask a trusted adult or someone older than you to do it. Or also they do have options to buy some of these ingredients where they're already pre-chopped. So that's another option too if you're not comfortable with handling a knife. So once you're finished mashing, they should look something like this, and then you can start adding your ingredients. So I'm going to be squeezing in my lime because I like lime juice in mine. And then I'm also going to be adding some cilantro because that's something I really enjoy. And then I'm also going to be adding some jalapenos. And then just a little bit of salt. And then some red onion. And once your ingredients are in your bowl, then you can slowly mix it. I'm going to use just a small spoon because I don't want any of the other things to get mashed like the avocados did. And then once you're finished mashing, then you can enjoy it.